Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Buki Akimade. I'm a food blogger and a home cook here in Lagos, Nigeria. If you've never been on my channel before, you're welcome. I post food recipes, kitchen tips, hacks, and tricks to help you in your everyday life. So please subscribe to my channel so you can see more of that. Also hit the bell so that you're notified every time I post new stuff. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian patty salad. It's one of the easiest things to make. It's just a few ingredients that we put together, drench in salad cream and enjoy. We absolutely love it and we have to have it at every Nigerian patty, and today I'm going to show you how to put one together. Let me run you through the ingredients I'm going to use for my salad. I'm using lettuce, I'm using cabbage, I'm using some cooked pasta, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, corn, and I'm going to cut this up. I'm using some hard-boiled eggs and some carrots. For my dressing, I'm using salad cream, but I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice, some honey, salt, and black pepper into the mix. I'm going to start first by prepping all of my ingredients. I'm going to chop them up and set them aside, and then I'm going to build my salad so that you can see an easy step-by-step way to put the salad together. So I'm going to slice my lettuce. I'm going to cut my cabbage. I'll just cut one head of cabbage into half and then slice it thinly. You need a really sharp knife for this. This is what you want it to look like. Next, I'm going to shred my carrots using a box grater. And this is what your carrot should look like. Next, I'm going to cut my sweet corn. This is just regular corn I got from the supermarket that I cooked. You can use the sweet corn from the tin if, you know, that's just easier for you. Same thing. Next, I'm going to cut my cucumbers. I'm going to deseed them. I'm always torn between taking out the seeds and leaving the seeds, but I think I'll take out the seeds today. But I don't always do that. So I just put this aside because I'm going to eat it later, but I'm not going to include it in my salad. You can also choose to peel your cucumbers if you want, but I'm going to keep the skin on this time just for color. And because there's a lot of good stuff in the skin, you know. Next, I'm going to cut my cherry tomatoes. They're not as small as I'd like them, so I'll quarter them so that they're bite size. You can use any type of tomatoes for your salad. It doesn't have to be cherry tomatoes. I'm just using this because I had them in the house and they just look kind of pretty, so I'm using them. Now it's time to assemble my salad in my cute little bowl. I'm going to start with some lettuce. So I'm going to layer this salad. I'm going to add a little bit of everything, one after the other. Next, I'll add my carrots. So I'm going to keep doing this until I use up all of my ingredients. Can you see how pretty this is starting to look? The colors are so vibrant and they all just look really, really pretty. If you're having a party, you want to make sure that your salad looks really nice because that's one of the things that will attract your guests to your table. My salad is fully assembled now. I'm going to slice the eggs and garnish that. I'm going to slice the eggs and garnish the salad. Always try to use an egg slicer for your eggs so that you get even shapes, and it just looks so much prettier than trying to cut the eggs freehand. So this is what my Nigerian salad looks like. Tell me you will want to eat this if you saw this on a table. Now I'm going to make my salad dressing, which is just using salad cream, but you can totally skip this if you want to skip all that extra calories. So I'm going to add some salad cream in here. Like I said, we always drench this in salad cream, but I know people don't like to do that now because they're watching their weight and trying to avoid all the extra calories. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. To thin it out and just to add some extra flavor, and then I'm going to add the honey. I'm going to add black pepper. And some salt, just a pinch. And I'm going to mix all of this together. I'm not going to drizzle it over the salad because some people may want to skip the dressing. So I'll just put this beside the salad, and whoever wants it can drizzle some on their own serving. This is the dressing for my salad. With every spoon I dish, I have a bit of everything that's included in the salad, and that's just great. And now drizzle some dressing over this, as much or as little as you want. I cannot wait to taste this. Nigerian salad has to be the best salad ever, if you're not watching your weight, that is. It's a really nice, exciting salad to have at Nigerian parties, and I think you should absolutely try it. Nigerian salad is not your typical salad, and it's not as healthy as it looks because we drench it in so much salad cream. However, you can make it healthy if you want to. Eliminate the salad cream and use a more healthy dressing like a vinaigrette or just lemon, olive oil, salt, and black pepper, and that will do. This is one of the things that we like, and it varies from person to person. It just depends on what you like. Some people add kidney beans, some people add baked beans, you know, there's just different things that you can add, but I wanted to show you a simple one that you can put together yourself and enjoy. I hope you're going to try out our Nigerian salad. I hope you love it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. But if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you need to do that now. You need to subscribe to my channel right now. Okay, please. And also follow me on Instagram at The Kitchen Muse and on Trailer at The Kitchen Muse. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.